there. Didn't know you were gonna record now.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Alrighty, babe, what are we doing?
I just bought this brand new Dodge truck.
Wow.
It's not a Dodge, it's not a real truck. Yeehaw. No,
You've never sounded sexier. I'm totally kidding.
So we rented this giant truck. Now we gotta go rent a trailer and then, yes, the fun again.
Yes. What are we doing?
So we're here.
Wait, you're really dark. Hold on.
Thank you. I tried.
Okay, go ahead.
So we made it to the place that's gonna take all my money that I had for cars.
Was that supposed to make that noise?
I think it was just scraping along this trailer.
Love it. Like, he probably can't hear you over that guy with the truck. We did it! Yay!
Yay! Happy, awesome, fun time.
You're so out of focus.
I'm so tired.
I'm sorry. We just have to drive 3 hours now.
Yeah, 3 hours and then we can unload the car and then re-rax and it'll be fun. Yeah, so now I have a wrecked Scion FR-S. So I did get a chance to go through the car, but it was pretty much empty. Even the glove box didn't have a single thing. I think I found one receipt in the trunk, and that was the most interesting thing I found in the car. I feel like I'm a broken player at this point, but I live in an apartment complex where I can't keep any unregistered cars around without renting one of their overpriced garages. So I pretty much bought the car and I took it over to Danielle's parents' place, which is about 3 hours from here. So the car is not here where I can work on it pretty easily. It's pretty much going to sit there till I have the funds and time to actually fix it. And obviously my biggest priority is to get that thing road legal, you know, get it registered and actually driving, because it's pretty much an expensive paperweight at this point. And you as a viewer, you're probably just like, okay, when can we expect this? Logistically, since I'm not right next to the car, probably might not see an FR-S update for a good couple weeks. And I hate to do that because I was planning on just holding off and kind of getting a couple FR-S videos under my belt and just releasing them, you know, at a normal fashion. I think it happens. So, and one thing I did not notice is that Georgia, you have to get your car inspected to get it registered. You can't just register a salvage title, so you have to take it to an inspection place, and that's where a sheriff actually goes through your car and makes sure it's, you know, a safe car on the road, which also being said, you know, 2 of the airbags went off in the car, so I need to replace those and somehow figure out how to get, you know, get the airbag light to go away. So there's a lot of things on mind. I want to do a lot of research before I drive 3 hours and then I'm stumped. And if you're watching this and you have experience with registering salvage titles from salvage to rebuilt in the whole inspection side of thing, send me a message, because I've read some things online and it's still kind of blurry. So I'm not sure what is exactly required to pass, like the minimum, especially in the state of Georgia. If you have experience with that, slide into my DMs. I would appreciate the knowledge, and I'm sure some of you guys watching might appreciate it too. I know if you replace the door panel, like I have to replace the door for sure. Like you have to keep the VIN number of the door and some other, it's a little trickier than I thought. So it's going to be a learning process for me and maybe for you too. So stick around if you're ever curious, because if you ever wanted to buy a car from Copart, Some states are leaner than the other ones, so if, I don't know. It was pretty easy in Idaho. They don't really care. But here in Georgia, it's a little more involved. My hand's getting tired because I haven't made videos in a couple of weeks, so I'm gonna get out of here and yeah, I still have the IS300. I was still planning to make videos on that thing. It's my only car still, only legal car. I can't really drive the FR-S. Stay tuned for more IS300 and FR-S content coming up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video really soon, I promise.